So good day guys! So for today's video, we're going to show you the preparing of Indonesian chicken wings. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Kimnel Cabral from BTBT at FSM3.
And my name is Lorenzo F. Gaita from BTBT at FSM3.
And I'm Welbert M. Comendo from BTBT at FSM3.
So the ingredients for our Indonesian chicken wings is first, our 8 pieces chicken wings. The main ingredients, 2 pieces of dahon ng laurel, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 head of onion, 3 cm turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of water, and 1 lemongrass squash, and 1.5 teaspoon of pepper, and last is cooking oil for frying. So let's start.
Okay, for the step 1 is place the water and until it's boiling. Add the chicken wings into boiling water. Then add the salt. And the garlic. After that is the onion. And the laurel. And the lemongrass. After that, the pepper, and the turmeric, and mix well. And after that, we need to mix all the ingredients. So the chicken. To make sure that all the spices is very well cooked and combined. It's ready to put the stove and put the more ingredients.
After simmering, we need to prepare a pan. A frying pan. We need to cook the chicken wing in 170 degrees Celsius until it becomes golden brown. After a few minutes, we need to check our chicken wings to make sure that it is cooked. Golden brown. Then we will check our chicken wings. And it is already golden brown. We will put it up in a cooking pan and set it aside.